Welcome back to EnlightenedTrading. I'm your host Conrad, and I'll give you a quick update on Bitcoin for today. I'm going to be off to the races in about half an hour, so I should be going then. But just to do this rather quickly, yeah. So where are we? Well, we reached 9,500. I mean, yes, well, it's still in the resistance zone. I did expect that we could have a short pullback from our high of 9,580, so approximately 9,600. And we did have this for today. Maybe this will get another continuation week. Another continuation day tomorrow, maybe even the day after. But I do think that either we hold around these levels of 9,000, or we drop to the 200-day moving average and find then our daily higher low. I think this will be the last point of support if we do get down there, but in my opinion, we will likely hold 9,000. After that, well, I think we are actually going to break, if this happens, if we find a healthy higher low on daily compared to 8,200, then we will most likely, in my opinion, climb higher and maybe even to 10,400. With our recent swing or with our last swing high. So that I do think is the most likely scenario. I am already scaling into positions. I will scale down to 9,000 and yeah, I'll just look how price reacts until then. On the 4-hour, we now have, I think, our third red candle on the TI indicator. So nothing too special, but actually on the hourly, you can see we are now getting into the oversold territory on the RSI, also approaching important support. I mean, it depends how this plays out, but this could play into our head and shoulders on the bigger on the 4-hour time frame. If this is going to hold, and we will bounce back. I don't like head and shoulders on Bitcoin. I do like inverse head and shoulders, but I mean, in my opinion, head and shoulders didn't play out very nicely on Bitcoin. So yeah, regarding that, and yeah, we now have our second count. You can see we had a 9 buy, didn't see follow through, so we are now again on a 4 on the hourly TI. So yeah, it seems like we want to get into a double 9. I think the latest in 4-hour we will see a short bounce off of these levels, and maybe create a lower high and then even drop further to the $9,000 range for our next daily higher low. I think this would be very healthy and not too surprising in any shape or form. Yes, so I think that's actually mostly what I wanted to get over here, that we are now back into consolidation phase. Like here, I don't think it will be that prolonged. More likely a bit shorter, maybe even to I think another 2 days. So all in all, like 5 days approximately of consolidation of this very strong bull move. You can see price range of 30%. That's not bad at all, and we have a lot of space for our daily higher low, so that is very healthy in my opinion. Yeah, so I do think this uptrend will continue in the midterm. We will see what happens Next, you can see maybe it looks actually a bit similar to what happened back here. It's just steeper, and you can see also what I meant here with Head and Shoulders. This was actually almost textbook Head and Shoulders, except this low. And we went after the races after that. So that is one example, and why I do not like Head and Shoulders on Bitcoin. Yeah, okay, I think that's it actually. I'll keep this rather short. Weekly time frame, yeah, still we're now on an aggressive 13 downside, so that is interesting. Monthly very strong candle, we are about to close. Tomorrow will be the next monthly candle. If the next monthly candle trades above 9,600, it will be a green 2 above green 1. It will be a green 2 anyways. But if this trades above 9,640-ish, or I mean above the latest highs of 9,080, then this will be a buy signal of the TI indicator on the monthly time frame. That is very bullish. You can see what happened last time. We had a green 2 above green 1. I mean, yes, this was actually an aggressive 13, so this is nice. I didn't see that, but you can see what green 2s above green 1s usually have in Bitcoin. And yes, this wasn't a green 2 above green 1. This was, for example, so you can see very, very nice signs for also the broader term time frames. Yeah. 3-day. Oh, I didn't acknowledge that, or I didn't see it. I think I didn't know, but this was a 9. Interesting. I didn't see that. Oh, interesting. I don't know what this candle means right here. I mean, this arrow. I think it's neutral. I think it's a neutral 9 or a 9 buy. So we have still space to get into a double 9 on a 3-day. So that is also interesting and very, very nice. Oh, we also broke the setup trend line. I mean, this is more of a rejection, although we have support setup trend line down the bottom. So that is also seems like it was rather key resistance in this area. So it will be important that we also get above these highs. On this candle will close today. Actually, I don't think this will be a green 2 above a green 1. We would have to make a lot of space back. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so I think that's it. Ethereum pulling back. I'm also in a small position on Ethereum because we now touched our 200-day moving average. We retested it on the daily time frame. That is one sign that I think is very bullish. If this actually makes it to hold, I think this will be a great buy area with a retest of the 200-day. Also, yeah, I mean, Litecoin, as I mentioned yesterday, broke out very nice. I told you this would be a great buy order or buy possibility. It was 8% up, and it went to 14% ish. I think some shape, some form of that. I don't know. Oh, even 20% in the day. Okay, so you'd still make like 12% from the point or from time I made my video. So that is interesting. Also holding very nice actually around these levels. This could be a great place to buy for the longer term time frame. And yes, you can see this very nice candle on the hourly on Ethereum, very strong rebound. So that is what I like to see, especially if this daily candle makes it like to 180 to 180. I think this would be very bullish if at least the half of this candle is a wick. I mean, I would also take this, but I would like to get a bit higher, in my opinion. We're not as oversold as we are on Bitcoin. We actually almost topped on the 9, so that is also interesting. I don't know how the candles respected the sequential. Yeah, not really in the 4-hour at least. 12th hour, I don't know. Well, some yeah, not really in my opinion. I mean, it's not too bullish that this whole candle got basically closed by the next day on bearish way. This is like a bit concerning, but I want to see strong rebound of these lows. Then this wouldn't be as concerning. I don't want to get I don't want this to be a engulfing bearish candle. This would then be a warning sign for Ethereum. Yeah, maybe you can also draw a trend line like that to see where we could find support in the future. But yeah, I think that's it. I won't keep you updated until Tuesday, and next week I do have to do some stuff, but I think I'll get around making videos. So yeah, I think that's it. See you guys and girls, you people. Back next time and have a great weekend. Bye.